say? You're rolling. Say whatever.
I'm rolling right now.
You're rolling right now.
Hey guys, this is Jim, aka MNS Man 1 on YouTube.
Where'd you come from, Jim?
I came from. You talking about the China buffet, or what are you talking about?
This morning. Where did you come from this morning?
I come up from Northern Ohio, or come down here from Northern Ohio to visit.
Up by the lake.
Up by the lake to visit Max and Frank and Ethan. And
That's
we're.
Frank, that's Ethan.
I can't see anything in this screen.
Oh, you're out there in the sun.
I'm hoping for the best here, guys. I don't.
All right, everybody open in the sun.
Yeah. So yeah, we just hooked up the tachometer to it, and she's good to go. We're ready for a road test, right, Max?
Getting closer. You want to show them the tachometer?
Sure. See if our lighting works out for us.
We're rolling.
Yeah, I believe so.
Turn that.
Okay, we're gonna fire this up.
All right. They've seen the oil temperature, oil pressure, volts, and this is the RPM, the tachometer. We're about out of gas, ain't we?
Yeah.
There we go. Hear that power. I can feel that power, Frank.
Kill it. That was 2,500 RPMs, and that
Really?
wasn't anywhere near what you took it up to last weekend.
No. When I did the vapor, oh my God, that was way up.
Okay.
So we still got to hook up the exhaust temperature and the air-fuel ratio.
Probably.
The air-fuel ratio, I'm betting, is going to work for gas and nothing else. But we're going to find out because I just don't know.
Okay.
But the RPM meter does work. We still got to get a double pulley on there and a load on it, but we do have the RPM meter, so we can actually test that specific RPMs now. So
Okay. Yeah, we did a little painting today, trying to get the shop in order. We got this wall here and that back wall. They already had this wall done. So some progress. It's turning out nice, Max.
So what, you think this stuff costs money, Jim?
I thought it was all free. And that's what Frank told me.
That's it.
Says free energy, it's free.
Free energy?
No, you're preaching to the choir here, Max. I know all about how much this stuff costs because I tinker a little bit myself. Now, I don't have anywhere near the amount of money you have involved with this because, yes, this stuff is expensive. You know, this engine alone. How much did this engine cost you, Max?
Actually, I bought the whole buggy. It was $1,200. The reason I give $1,200 for it is because it had a title.
There you go. There you go. So it can go on the road.
Well, the buggy title, it's a buggy title.
Right.
So we have a titled buggy, and we have an engine that runs for the titled buggy,
Okay.
and we have a Volkswagen Bug with a title. So the plan is the bug's going to go on the road first.
Yeah. And Frank's got me interested in the vaporizer. I think we can get a little sneak peek of that. Well, I don't know if I can do it without breaking my. Oh, we'll just go this way.
Neck, too much junk around.
There we go. Yeah. I'm thinking about the. Oh my gosh, it's escaping me. Ultrasonic
Yes.
version. Yes.
Yeah, ultrasonic is better than this version.
Yes. And then you have the heat version.
Heat version, right?
Yes.
Trying to get all my junk out of here so we have an actual lab that we can work on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got a lot of junk.
Wow.
I got a lot of junk. I don't think we ever showed them all that stuff in there.
Oh well.
Hey, don't we need
Here, look at all this stuff.
Is that thing shut off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got a bunch of boards there.
Got the resident cavity over here.
That's a piece of art right there.
That's a few bucks right there, buddy.
Now, do you have that all machined or?
Had an actual real machine shop, machined the whole thing. And then a piece of clear PVC mounts on top with a lid so we can set it right on the bench.
Yeah.
Specifically.
How much did that
Starter.
pipe cost you? 10 feet of that?
10 foot, that's 5 foot, 10 foot was 500 bucks.
Crazy if you.
Clear PVC, 6
something
inches,
happens
I
and
believe.
you Can't, you know,
Wow.
no gas.
Yeah, wow.
The starter can move.
But this is like 2,500 bucks right there.
People said they're taking it. You know,
Has it
like-
seen any
like that.
action yet?
But
Not
I think
yet.
we're gonna start to
This
stop
one
to
hasn't.
see So much it was worth $200.
Okay.
This wasn't the first prototype, but this is actually made to
We'll
specifications.
get there. Yep.
But that's kind of why we want to get the lab together, because this will actually be tested on the bench that way.
Well, that thing's good as gold right there. Wow.
And it'll actually go into these cabinets that Frank and Ethan put together today
See if I can make my way over there.
without breaking your neck on the
Yeah, we've got an obstacle course.
So this will be part of the laboratory. This is an all metal cabinet. So we'll actually be putting the resonant cavity and other devices in there to test with ground and sensors on it to identify possible unknown radiation. Unknown radiation.
Unknown, better safe than sorry. Safety first.
I got a pretty good idea it's there. What it is, I don't know.
Yeah. You wear your safety goggles when you do all this work, Max?
Always. From the time I get up to I go to bed. I wouldn't want to mess up my pretty face.
That's right. That's right. Okay, well,
Did you show him the suitcase?
I think your followers have seen this before, because I know I have. I recognize it, but we'll open it up. There we are. Lighting's not the best in here.
Yeah, we currently have no electricity. So what is this thing, Jim?
Well, it's an HHO generator. I believe you were using this as a torch to do some soldering with. I don't know what other applications you have for it in mind,
Yeah, he was showing me
but that's my recollection.
one cylinder.
Am I right or am I right?
Anything that needs hot. We're going to actually try this on the Volkswagen engine.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, this will be one of the tests with the Volkswagen engine with gasoline and an actual booster. And this is a popular Chinese booster electrolysis cell, and it's set up to maintain a specific pressure. So we're going to actually try it. We have the RPM meter on there now. We have to put 2 pulleys on there so we can get another alternator for a load test. And then we're going to try the maximum load with the maximum output HHO on a buggy, on a car engine running approximately 1200 RPM, which would be basically driving down the road in 5th gear if you had a 5th overdrive gear. We'll try the booster, do some time tests, see if it actually saves fuel like everyone says it does. If it doesn't, there's going to be a lot of red faces in the world.
Yeah.
I'm betting it'll do something. What it does, I really have no idea.
Right.
But that's one of the things we want to test, and we're going to broadcast the test on an actual real car engine.
Looking forward to that, Max.
So I appreciate you coming today, Jim.
Well, my pleasure. It was well worth the drive, and I gotta be splitting here in a few minutes, and they'll put me back, later on this evening. So I appreciate the offer, Max.
Come back anytime, buddy.
All right.
Frankenstein helping out.
Yep.
The old crippled old fart.
And raccoon poop.
How fun.
It's all fun. It's all fun and games until someone has to go to work.
Okay.
Tear it down. Gorbachev, tear down that wall. It was Gorbachev, right?
Poop glued it. Poop has glued it to the rafters.
Ooh.
Okay. Well, that was fun. Whoa. Oh yeah, that was fun. Okay.
Love the smell of poop in the afternoon, don't you?
Yep. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Splinter?
Tetanus.
That battery's almost dead, so I'm gonna